one umbrella.
And what else? And how many umbrellas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And how many jackets?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And why do we need the umbrellas for?
For not get wet.
Where? Why?
Why raining?
Because it's raining? No. Just explain to me, where does it's raining? It's raining right now?
Yeah. I think the water going out.
You think the water is going out? Okay.
We can go now.
No, we can't go because it's too wet outside.
Hey, we can have boots and not step in the water.
You can have boots and step in the water. Those are called raining boots.
Yeah. Boots, zebra, star boots, and birdie boots.
Oh yeah?
Tita has birdie boots.
Tito has birdie boots.
And
you?
me and zebra and star boots.
Hey, do you have to go to school tomorrow? Yes, vacation is over.
See, vacation over. I want to see my grandma. I want to see her.